Hey folks, this is what my Canva looks like when I first just log in. I hope for your sake that yours is not the hot mess express that mine is, but I would love to show you how to create some folders and tidy up, kind of Marie Kondo style. So I don't know about you, I cannot let go of stuff. I'm a digital hoarder. So the way to organize this, well, first of all, the quick and easy way is don't forget that you can view as a list. So if nothing else, that kind of keeps me from having a massive headache and I can see how recently I edited it. But if you want to create folders and have some real organization in your life, you're going to come over here to the far left and click on projects. Under projects, I can add a new folder. Maybe I might call this unit and also, oh, I can invite friends on my team. Isn't that handy? Maybe I might have unit 2. I don't know how you want to organize this. But anyways, once I have these folders made, you'll see they live down here and I can drag and drop things into there. So that's really handy. Notice that it still kind of stays down there, but it's also in my folder, so I know where to find it. Another thing to keep in mind is that this projects page is a little bit naturally more organized. It feels a little bit like your Google Drive in a way. So instead of just sticking on the home page, try clicking on projects. You'll notice your most recent stuff is here at the top. Then you have any folders. Then you've kind of got your designs. And believe it or not, separately, you'll have like any images that you uploaded and then any videos that you uploaded. You like my dorky hand signs here. So this kind of acts as a little bit of a sorting mechanism or filtering mechanism within Canva without you even having to create folders. If you're like, I don't know which folder, I'll get confused. So anyways, I just wanted you to know that you have these organizational features at your fingertips in Canva.